Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create React.js application. So let's get started. Let me open here the CMD. So here inside this folder, I'm going to write the command to create the new React Vite application. So the command that we have npm create vite@latest whole React, that we have the name of the application and the template that we have React. Now let's hit enter. After creating the application, let's navigate inside the folder that we have whole-react. After navigating, I'm going to install npm. It will take a couple of seconds. As you can see, npm installed successfully. After installing the npm, I'm going to run the React.js application. So the command that we have npm run dev. Now as you can see, our React.js application running locally on this link. So let me copy this. Let me add inside the browser. And as you can see, the splash screen of a newly created React Vite application. After running the application, let me open this folder inside the VS Code editor. As you can see, the src package. Inside this, we have a main.js that we have the entry point of our React.js application. And as you can see, the file that we have, package.json, this file will carry the versions and the dependencies of our React.js application. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.